The Dyna-Living 1800W steam cleaner effectively tackles tough grime and stains with its powerful steam output, making it ideal for a variety of surfaces, like car interiors and sealed wood floors. Equipped with a 2.1-liter stainless steel water tank, this steam cleaner provides up to 60 minutes of continuous steam, perfect for uninterrupted cleaning of large areas. Its user-friendly design features a steam adjustment knob and lock button, allowing you to control steam volume effortlessly without needing to hold it down manually. The enhanced mobility is achieved with a 360-degree rotating front wheel and directional rear wheels, along with a long steam hose and power cord for easy access to different areas. The durable 304 stainless steel boiler ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion, maintaining high steam output consistently. This steam cleaner comes with a comprehensive cleaning kit, including multiple brushes and nozzles, enabling versatile cleaning options for various surfaces.